Jule from Nubra Valley, and we have started from the Hundar to Pangong Lake, and presently we are at a place which got famous because of being in one of the songs of a movie, in one scene of a song which Vijay Deverakonda has acted on, the Dear Comrade movie, where the milestone of 12 kilometers is shot. So let me show you quickly that. See, that's the milestone, Disket 12, and that's the background where Mr. Vijay Deverakonda had sat and clicked the photo, a scene. So we are here to click a photo and then update it in the and keep it as a remembrance. So let's go. Let's quickly talk on the helmet view. And we start our ride from Hundar to Pangong Lake. The time is around 6:30, and the distance to be covered is around 165 kilometers to our resort. So the sun is still there out. The sun is already out, but it's behind the clouds. So it's a bit chilly here, cold, around 14-15 degrees. But yeah, apart from that, time to say goodbye to Hundar, sand dunes, and Dhavalam camels, and also the Disket monastery and the Gautam Buddha statue at Disket. So let's quickly roll and try to reach our destination for the day as early as possible, so that we can enjoy the mesmerizing views of Pangong Lake and enjoy some time at the Pangong Lake. And far you can see that snow-capped mountains. Right. So there's not much of snow, as I already said. A little bit snow. And we have a third rider with us who has tagged along with us. He is from Chennai, but he went from Chennai. He went to Kanyakumari, and from there he came all the way till Kashmir. So he did the K2K, Kashmir to Kanyakumari or Kanyakumari to Kashmir, and his plan was to come to Hundar for a day and then move back to Leh. But we've been connecting on the road from Nagpur, all the way from Nagpur till here every day, every place. The destinations are almost the same. The time we take to travel is almost the same. So he only said that he'll tag along with us for the couple of days, for 3-4 days, and then he'll turn back. Oh, yeah, okay, right? So when we are three, we go. One is better than two, two is better than one, three is better than four, two. So we just go along. So yeah, that's the right update for now. And early morning, chilly weather, viewpoint of sand dunes. So this is all the sand dunes. In the earlier videos I have already shared it with you guys, but yeah, just showing you the last view of the sand dunes. See, there are no camels now, they are at home, so it's just we three right now traveling on this mountain valley roads. Let's quickly go and see. So the first stop for us will be a place where one of the movie shooting was done, which is of the Dear Comrade. A photo shoot will be there from our side for us. We'll do it there. There's a famous video in one of the songs where Vijay Deverakonda sits at a milestone and clicks and video gets recorded. So there's a song there. So we'll go there, click some photos, and I'll post them in Instagram, so you can just follow them. So to view the photos, make sure to follow me on Instagram and do like the button, do press the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. రోడ్ ఉంటేనే డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ 12. సరే ఓకే. Finally, after riding through these gravels and this off-road track for 1.5 hours, which you might have already seen, we are back on the tarmac, black tarmac. I'm not sure till when it will be there, but our destination is still around 2.5 hours, around 3 hours of time it will take for us to reach the destination. But I also want to tell you that so Ladakh, there is no specific cuisine. As such, the only speciality of these people is their tea, which is known as Gurgur tea or Ladakhi tea. That is the only special here. Apart from that, they don't have anything specific cuisine because of the climate conditions and situations here. So majorly because of the climate conditions and the soil, nothing much grows here. It's basically, so they rely on the food or the ingredients which have a longer shelf life and use them. So for example, major ingredient they use is onion and potatoes and the pulses, lentils, nothing more than that, because they have the shelf life, right? So they can be stored for 6 to 8 months, and in the winters that is what they do. So there's nothing specific, no specific cuisine or a dish which is famous here in Ladakh. Yeah, but they are more concentrated, or they eat more of rotis, chapatis, compared to the rice, compared to the South Indians, where the chapati is not required but the rice only is required. Here it is fine, they need a balance of both rice and chapati. That's the reason we'll see. And the curry wise, either it will be a paneer curry or we mixed veg curry, nothing much more than that. So yeah, that's the information about Ladakh. And I think it'll take one more season or 2 more seasons for road from Khalsar to Pangong to be all good, because half road which is around for last 1.5 hours which we have driven is all under construction. I mean, we didn't even go under the under construction road. We were forced to drive on the other side of the Shivok River, where it was just paved path to make sure the vehicles go. That's all, nothing more than that. And the vehicles would be like, you have that boulders like this big on the road. We just had to cross that, so we just did that. And right now we just had a water crossing, and I just closed the video at that time. But yeah, there was a water crossing. I had so one of the biker had to was stuck in middle in the water, so I had to go, and my legs are freezing right now because there's water in it. So I don't want to waste time right now stopping and doing it. So whenever we'll stop, I'll change it. Ago. గాడిలో ఉంది. అక్కడ వస్తున్నాను, వస్తున్నాను, వీడియో తీసుకుంటూ వస్తాను. You can see the real view of Shivok River, which is just coming out of its glacier around 100-200 meters away from the glacier. People are enjoying the views of the Shivok River. You can see the riders all around. Some clicking photos, some having tea before we get in. So we had a tea already a couple of minutes back, so we'll not stop, just going on. So from 9,700 feet, which is where the Hundar is located, we are heading to around 11,000 feet now. 11,500 or 11,500 feet to Pangong Lake. This is the one of its kind salt lake in the mountain. It's not a freshwater lake, it's a salt lake. So we're going there, and I think in last 10-15 years is when it got really famous after the movie of Three Idiots, which was released, and the climax where hero and his friends and his girlfriend meet up at the shore of this river, the this lake, Pangong Lake. And one more thing is, this is around 25% of the Pangong Lake is in India, and 75% is in China. Yeah, obviously we will not go there, but yeah, so we will be at the Indian part only and looking at it, enjoying the views of the Pangong, which is around 95 kilometers more for us to go. So we will go and enjoy. And we are riding through Shivok River, through the shores of Shivok River for last 2 to 3 days, and we will be doing it for a couple more days. For a couple more, 10-20 kilometers more, because after that we will say goodbye to Shivok River while it changes its path to the glacier from where it's coming, and we will head to our destination. So yeah, that's the ride update right now. Kind of. Keep your nerves on the sharp curves. Okay. మొన్న ఫోన్లో డౌన్లోడ్ చేసినావు కదా, ఏంది డాంకియా హార్సా? వావ్, ది మౌంటైన్ హార్సెస్, modern horses. In another iron bridge on Shivok River. Darbuk 38. Hang on. That sounds good. Right after seeing the LOC yesterday and starting to Pangong today, time is around 1:30 and we are around 35 kilometers from the stay in Pangong, our stay in Pangong, and we have entered the Durbak area. So because it's all government, we all have our Indian Army camps. Recording is not permitted, and it's also not safe. It's not permitted also for recording, so I haven't done it. And yes, so after LOC, as I was saying, after LOC yesterday, in a couple of days of time, we will move to LAC, which is LOC is line of control, which is between India and Pakistan, where Pakistan occupied Kashmir comes up before the international border of India and Pakistan. There's a line of control, and then on the other side we have LAC, the line of actual control, where it is China and India. So we'll be heading there as well. As I said earlier, Pangong hot spring. So we have hot springs also. We'll be visiting them. So yeah. So as I said, Pangong Lake, 25% is in India and 75% is in China. Yes, so that 25% is what we will try. We cannot even see the 25% of the lake because it's a very huge lake, very big lake. And yeah, let's quickly go. Google Maps is showing around 35 minutes. Around 40 minutes for 35 kilometers. Let's quickly go. You can see the snow-capped mountains. There are still some mountains where there is snow, and it's not that much. It's a little bit, and yeah, that's all. And I think in next 45 days, once it starts snowing here, all the mountain everywhere it'll be just white, and it'll all be snowing. So for us, we will see it in next time. We'll try to do a winter Ladakh once and explore the Ladakh beauty of Ladakh in winter season. For now, let's enjoy the summer of Ladakh, which is equal to the winter of Hyderabad or South India. Let's quickly go. And finally, we see some yaks here, which are famous in Ladakh. Leh Ladakh. The yaks, the fur of this yak wool also is used to manufacture the warm clothes. And welcome to the Pangong Lake, the salt lake in the middle of Himalayas, in the mountains. This is a salt lake, basically saltwater lake, in middle of mountains where it is not possible, but here we are. All this is the Pangong Lake. You can see that it's very big, it's very huge. Look at the beauty, guys. So every time of the day the view changes, the color of the water looks different. That's the speciality. And on the opposite side you can see that white markings. I think that's the salt, because of the evaporation, the salt markings on the opposite side, just on the bed of the river. So yeah, let's quickly go check in and have some fun at the Pangong. అట్లా ఏం చెప్తలేదు, రూట్ మాత్రం స్ట్రైట్ అంటుంది అంతే. look at the weather, guys. It's chilling, and I guess you should be able to see a rainbow there. There is a rainbow, small one, not that big, but yes, we are able to see the rainbow. The temperature is only 15 degrees, but feels like 6 or 7 degrees. It's chilly, cold weather, and from the time we came in, it has already changed a lot. So we're just quickly going on to the place where the actual shooting of Three Idiots movie was done, and this is how it shows. This is how the weather is right now. In last 1 hour, 2 hours it came in. From the time we came 2 hours back, this is how it changed. Alright, let's go quickly. Alright, welcome back to the channel, and right update, we have reached the Pangong Lake. You can see at the backdrop, that's the Pangong Lake. That's where it starts, somewhere there. Spreads a massive way. So the time is around 4 o'clock now, and in 30 minutes, 4:30 around, we will go down. Let me show you. Go down to the shore of the Pangong Lake, below there, and have click some photos and enjoy the view right through. So you see there. So if you remember Three Idiots climax, the heroine comes up in the Bajaj Chetak scooter, so you can see those lined up there, similar scooters. So click the photos and we'll have some fun there, and then back. So this is all the Pangong Lake. You can see the color. So wherever the sun rays fall, you can see the color. It changes to light blue, else it is dark blue. So you can see that there, somewhere here. Yeah. That's the beauty. I'm like, in the mornings it looks green. In the afternoon it looks dark blue. Then it changes to light blue. So beautiful, and it's a salt lake. In midst of mountains, it's a salt lake. It freezes in the winters, but yeah, it's a salt lake. Alright, so let's go down and have some fun there. So to look at the videos that I'll be clicking at the shore, please follow me on the Instagram, giving you my ID here down, and yeah, press that hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. What a view! What a view! So beautiful. Sun, shadow, sun, and it's raining, and you have a rainbow. Everything at once. You can see rainbow there. Wow! Lovely! Haven't seen this much bright rainbow in my life, guys. So bright. Loving this. అదేనా ముంగట టాప్లా బండి ఆపో, ఫోటోలు దిగాల బండి. Lovely, seriously lovely. That's Pangong for you guys. Pangong Lake. So not see any ice here. See the snow there. Snow-capped mountains. Let me quickly click the photos. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిన లైన్ కూడా. Alright, here are the cottages which are there, so many, and we are at a point where the shooting of Three Idiots movie climax was done, where the hero flies the drone and his friends meet. So we're going on there. So let's quickly go and click some photos and go back to our room. It's really chilling. You can see, The time is around 6 p.m. I don't know. Time is 6, but you can see how bright the sun is. On top of our head.